Corpus delicti in this case is kind of funky, being the state of Washington.
Hey guys, coming to you live from a new location. Beautiful area we're in today, just doing some process serving, out delivering good news to people, which that's what we do every day, 7 days a week. A plug for my business, Patent Legal Services. Also have a YouTube channel, not as active as this one, but still have some cool videos for you to check out over there. Link below. Camera guy, did you get that? So today we got a video where it's another sovereign citizen video, which we love. And this time, this guy, his name is Smith. Loud truck going by. That's what we get for filming in the city. But his name's Smith, so he's a sovereign citizen, and he's chosen to not sign an order that this judge is telling him he must sign. And he eventually does sign it, but he says, you know, he signs his name and says under duress, because he's under duress. He doesn't want to sign it. And the judge does not take that lightly. He gives him a second option, a second chance, which to some degree, I don't know why they keep getting second chances. I think one chance is plenty, but the judge gives him another chance to sign it. He does. He signs it the same way. The rest I'll let you watch in the video, but it's just kind of a comical, sovereign citizen video. These guys, they just keep thinking that they don't have to abide by the law, and it's never-ending fun to see what they're going to say next, what they're going to do, and what kind of laws they think they know. So take a look.
Mr. Smith, this charge is a misdemeanor and is punishable by 90 days in jail and a $1,000 fine. You have the right to be represented by a lawyer, and if you cannot afford a lawyer, you have the right to have one appointed for you at no expense. Did you have any question about those rights?
Kind of, yes. Corpus delicti in this case is kind of funky, being the state of Washington. It seems to be me to be a fictitious plaintiff. In a sense, I can't subpoena a plaintiff that doesn't exist as a person.
Okay, we're going to talk about a couple things first, because what you're saying is gibberish. You don't even know what corpus delicti is.
Corpus delicti produce the victim.
No, that's not what it means.
Definitions here.
Here's the situation. I'm gathering that sounds to me like you might be kind of dabbling in the sovereign citizen stuff.
No.
Sure sounds like it. Simply because the fact there's no, quote, identifiable victim doesn't mean its behavior is not a crime.
Am I being penalized if I don't sign?
I'll have you thrown in jail if you don't. Does that sound like a penalty?
Okay.
Don't challenge the authority of the court. Let me see it.
Proceeding under arrest.
Reprint the order, sign the order. Just your name, nothing else.
I can't. That's.
Just sign the order. You're ordered to do so. If you don't, it's contempt of court. You're not under duress, but you are under court order to sign the order. Have a seat. You're in contempt of court.
Okay.
The maximum penalty for contempt of court is 30 days in jail and a $500 fine.
I'd sign it with my rights reserved then.
Signing this does not take anything away from you, sir, as far as your rights.
Why do I have to sign it then?
Because I just told you to, because it gives you notice when your next court date is.
I'm gonna sign the order, and I'm gonna.
You're going to sign your name and nothing else. Anything else, you're going to jail. My suggestion to you would be that you should probably spend some time having a brief consultation or a longer consultation with a lawyer.
That's pretty much a waste of my time.
Sit down. I purged the one contempt. I don't need any editorial comment on your part that this is a waste of your time. I don't care if you can believe it. And outside this court, you can say anything you want. You can tell everybody I'm the devil. I don't care. You have a right to speak. Don't say a word. But inside this court, you're going to show respect for the court. That means when you're directed to do something in the court, you're going to do it. You're free to leave.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Smith failed to appear at his next hearing. There is currently a warrant out for his arrest.
Well, as you could tell, Mr. Smith was definitely under duress. He about pissed the judge off enough to get a contempt charge and was probably pretty close to being arrested right there. My favorite part is right before, he complies finally. Judge is like, about to let him go, says, "I advise that you get an attorney." He gets up, says, "It's a waste of time," and that really pissed the judge off. I thought that was pretty comical. Of course, he didn't show up to his hearing after the fact. He has a warrant out for his arrest. So if you see this guy, please send some tips in. He's probably living on a farm somewhere behind gated community. Who knows? But if we run across him, let's call it in. So I always appreciate you guys watching the channel. I hope you like it. We try to be as unedited, unscripted as we can be, and we like to have fun with it. So make sure you like, subscribe, continue watching, share with your friends, and we look forward to seeing you on the next episode of The Process Server. Stay alive and stay vigilant.